Right. Good evening, students. Today we are going to do a repetition for the lesson of circumference of the circle. That is our one of the lesson in the grade 9 syllabus. Then even grade 10 students and grade 11 students can follow these things and get memorize your knowledge. Revise your knowledge. You can revise your knowledge with following this lesson. Okay, first of all we should know about what is the meaning of the circumference. You can see I have written here the circumference, the total length of the boundary of a circle, that we call the circumference. The total length of the boundary of a circle, or we can say the perimeter of a circle, is known as the circumference. You know, in square or rectangle you say the perimeter, the length of the boundary for the square we call perimeter, but in circle we don't call that is perimeter. Actually, instead of perimeter we use this special word called circumference. Then that means the total length of this boundary, it's a circle, that boundary from starting from here, and when we are come to that starting point, that total length we call the circumference. Then you can remember we have two equations. We had two equations for circumference. That is, one is the phi d, second one is the 2 phi r. We discussed with our theory lessons how that phi d is came and 2 phi r also, how we calculate the 2 phi r, then how we calculate the phi d. We see step by step doing the exercise, then you can understand, you can memorize your memory with circumference. Then as I today ask you to do the exercise of the lesson number 18 in the grade 9 book, that I have drawn the questions they have given in words in the exercise 18.1. That first question was they are asking the circumference of a circle with radius of 7 centimeter. You have to clearly understand, you have to clearly check what they have given and what they are asking. They are asking the circumference, that is C. They have given the radius. Then if they have given the radius, what equation we should follow? That is C equal 2 phi r. That equation you have to follow, 2 phi r. Then it is easy. You have to just substitute the values for the phi and r. Then also that exercise you have given, you have asked to use 22/7 instead of 5. Then you need to, instead of 5 you have to use the 22/7. Then you can use 22/7 instead of 5. and you can use the value 7 centimeter instead of r, because the 7 centimeter is the radius. Then you can use the 7 centimeter instead of r. Then you can just cut this 7 by 7, that is 1. Then this also 7 by 7, that is also 1. Then you can calculate 2 into 22 is 44, and 44 into again 1 is again 44. This is 44 centimeter. The circumference is 44 centimeter. This is the way you have to follow, and major thing is in these questions you have to select what formula you have to use. That is second formula, that C equal to 5R, because you have given the R radius. Then we'll move to the second question. In second question they have given you the diameter is 21 centimeter. If it is diameter is 21 centimeter, you better to use this formula, that C is equal 5D. C equal 5D. Then you can use substitute the value to phi and d. Phi is 22/7 and d is 21 centimeter. Then you can cut by 7, this 7 by 7, that is 1, this 20 by 7, that is 3. Then 22 multiplied by 3 is 66 centimeter. This is the answer. Then also you can use the second equation also you can use to solve this question. We'll see how we can use the second equation for solve this question. That is, second equation is equal to 5R. Then C should be equal 2 multiplied by 22/7, and you have to find what is the R. Then you know the diameter is 2R. That means this diameter is this length, isn't it? This length is the diameter. This length is the diameter. Then this length is R, and this length also R. Therefore, diameter is the 2R. Then R is equal to D divided by 2, isn't it? R is equal to D divided by 2. Therefore, you can use 21/2. That is, diameter is the 21 divided by 2. 21 divided by 2. Diameter is R is radius is equal to 21 divided by 2. Then you can cut this 2 by 2, that is 1. Then Therefore, you can cut this 2 by 2, that is 1. Then you can cut this 7 by 7, that is 1. This 21 by 7, that is 3. Again you get the answer 22 multiplied by 3, that is 66 centimeter. Same answer we can get with these two equations. If you like, you can use the C equal to 5R, and instead of D you can use the R. Using D you can calculate the R. That means using the diameter you can calculate the radius. Okay, we'll move to the third one that has given the R is 10.5. Then same equation you can use this one, C equal, because you have given this R, then C equal to 5R. Then you can use C equal 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by R 10.5 centimeter. Even this with this numbers you can calculate, but to calculate easily I am going to do some small trick. See how what I am going to do now. That if I told you 10.5 is equal, if I tell you 10.5 is equal 21 over 2, that means 21 divided by 2 is equal to 10.5, isn't it? 10.5 is that 21 divide, if we divide the 21 by 2, then you get the answer 10.5. Therefore, instead of 10.5, I like to use the 21 over 2. 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 21 over 2. I use, instead of the 10.5, I use 21 over 2. Is it clear? Yes. Then you can easily cut and get the value. That's why I use this ticks. Then you can cut this 2 by 2, that is 1, this 2 by 2, that is 1. Then this 7 by 7, that is 1. This 21 by 7, that is 3. Then you get the answer 22 multiplied by 3, that is 66. Centimeter. Right. Now you should able to understand that first question and second question and third question. We got the same answer, 66 centimeter, and here also 66 centimeter, because this circle diameter is 21.